Hey, Champ! Welcome back to BrightBYTES, where we make big ideas easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the world of Python. Let's start with the 5 W's. So, what is Python?
Python is a simple yet powerful coding language, perfect for beginners. It's like a magic remote for computers. Type commands, and it listens. That's how apps, games, websites, and even robots come alive. From phone apps to rockets, Python powers it all. Let's look at an example.
Why is Python important?
Python is easy to read, so you learn faster, build quicker, and enjoy creating apps, robots, and games.
So, when was Python created and first used?
Python was made by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer in the late 1980s, and it was launched in 1991. He named it after the funny show Monty Python.
Where do we use Python today?
Python is everywhere. It powers apps, websites, AI, data, robots, games, even space exploration.
And who uses Python?
Students use Python to learn coding. Teachers use it to explain big ideas. Scientists explore space and medicine with it. Big tech builds apps and AI. Now it's your turn.
And that's why Python is your next coding superpower! Before we wrap up, tell us in the comments what you would build first with Python.
Next up in our Python series, we'll unlock variables, data, and input to start building like real game makers.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you're always ready for the next adventure.